Hi everybody, this is 5 minutes training, common Turkmen phrases. It's a business vocabulary today. Entrepreneur, delegeci, white collar worker, ofis işgari, to work 24/7, gece gündüz işlemek, to see eye to eye, bir fikirde olmak, olalashmak, stay on your toes, ehtiyacı elden vermeng. We have formed a team. Biz topar kurduk. You need to team up with others. Siz beylikler bilen bileleşmeli. Everyone has to pitch in their ideas. Her kim öz pikirini ortağa oklamalı. We are starting from scratch. Biz baştan başlayaz. We were given the green light. Bize ruhsat verdiler. The company kicked off the project. Kampanya taslamanı başlattı. Let's get down to business. İş varada gurrun edelim. If time allows, vaktimiz bolsa, let's stick to the plan. Plandan ayrılmalıyım. We need to outsource some tasks. Biz käbir işleri daşına vermeli. Win-win situation. Her kim için amatlı yağday. Sign off the project. Taslamanı tavşarmak. Well, thank you very much. Do not forget to sign up. Bye bye.